Hello everyone, and today here we're going to discuss the most expensive types of roofing. Eric here with Blue Nail Roofing, and when it comes to choosing a roof for your home, cost is an important factor to consider. Some roofing materials can be quite expensive up front, but they may also offer benefits like durability and energy efficiency. The most expensive type of residential roofing is probably slate roofing. Slate is a natural stone material that is highly durable and can last up to 100 years or more with proper maintenance. They also are available in a variety of color patterns and styles, making it an elegant choice for decades of performance and beauty. However, slate roofing can be very costly due to its high quality and installation requirements. It's also heavy, which means that some homes may require additional structural support before installing a slate roof. Another expensive option for residential roofing is clay tile roofing. Clay tiles are highly durable and can last up to 50 years or more with proper maintenance. However, like slate roofing, clay tiles are heavy and may require additional structural support before installation. They're prone to cracking if walked on or hit by falling objects. And last, copper roofing is another option that can be quite expensive. Copper has a unique look that adds character and style to any home. It's also highly durable and resistant to corrosion. However, copper roofing requires specialized installation techniques which add to the overall cost. Now, these are some of the most expensive options available for residential roofing. While these options may be pricey up front, again, they do offer durability, longevity, and unique style that can add value to your home or business. Subscribe or follow for more content and all things roofing. Wind or hail, call Blue Nail.